Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be playing Animal Company with my friend, Cade. Say hi, Cade.
And this guy that I met.
And this guy. Yeah. So
he's also kind of new to the game.
He is kind of new.
I've been playing for like 2 weeks now.
You're kind of new. That's what I'm saying.
Kinda.
He's been playing for 2 weeks. Dang.
Probably 2 weeks.
I've been playing for like, I don't know, like 2 months now. No, I think I started 2 months ago. Yeah.
I think I started like 5 months ago. I started when
that's when I started Gorilla Tag content. That's when my channel.
I started it almost when this game came out. What I mean is like when this game.
No, like, the hands used to be like long. They used to be.
Yeah, it used to be like
fingers
plates.
Used to be long.
It used to be like plates.
And then you had every gadget available.
Yeah.
Open the
map.
Everybody, oh shoot. Everybody, this is bad.
Oh my god, the Yeti. No, the Yeti. Watch out, Mimic. Watch out, Cade. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, buddy. I will shoot you. Don't make me shoot you. I'm gonna give you the Mike Tyson special. Give me one more time. See what happens. I literally shot him. How is he not dead? Bo got resurrected. Bo, I'm literally shooting him.
Yeah, he died. He did.
Phew, thank God. Found a crowbar.
Where are you? Person with a little thing.
Oh my
God.
God. Hold on, I need more bullets.
Oh, he's over here. Oh.
Is Bo good? My guy, are you good? I'm about to just buy a lot of ammo and then just like keep it. Cause like well, I need a new backpack. This backpack sucks. I'm broke. Yep, I'm very broke. I only have 13K, dude. Look at that. I'm so broke. I'm back.
Oh, give me a sec.
Is that an umbrella? What is that?
What?
Oh, this is just like... No, Bo. I was about to say, like, what is
that?
Don't
do anything. I'm going to get a little closer.
Alright.
Target locked. Tell me when to fire.
Fire.
Open fire.
Oh wait, you made
Alright, just give it a sec.
Did you open the person again?
Give it a sec. Give it a sec.
Alright. Watch out.
Tell me when to fire. Tell me when to fire.
Just wait.
Fire.
Wait. Fire. Alright, you got them all except for Mimic.
Me like 10 meters.
You got them all except for Mimic. Because Mimic barely even looks like. Oh, I found more revolver ammo. I already have a lot of that. I already have like a full backpack of it.
Hey Mimic, take the light.
I don't need that. Well, I'm just gonna keep it.
Hey Mimic, you want some red light?
Oh, my backpack is red.
Hey Mimic, take this bomb.
Yeah, Mimic.
Hey Mimic,
oh my God! I found an RPG. I just found an RPG. No way.
You found an RPG? That's crazy.
For real, like, ain't no way it fits in my backpack. Oh, that's crazy.
It does. You can hold up to 5 things.
Yeah, I had to lose one
Wait,
of
bro,
my
can I have that
ammos.
sword? Can I have that sword? Bro, can I have that sword?
Hey, stupid
Actually, can I have
mimic,
that
take some
pickaxe? Can I
dynamite.
have that pickaxe?
Take the pickaxe.
Guys, watch out, watch out. The radius on the bomb.
Everybody run!
If
gonna
it breaks
open.
open the present. Oh, he killed him. He killed him. Perfect shot.
Alright, everybody
Alright.
stand by me. Everybody
Hold on,
stand
hold
by me. Everybody stand by me.
Hold on,
Everybody
let me get
stand
this
by
plate.
me.
I gotta open this crate real quick.
Alright, open that thing first. Alright, don't do anything. You, come over here, come over here, come over here. Come over here. Green and blue, green and blue, green and blue.
If a monster
Everybody
comes
come over
near
here, come
us,
over here.
I'm gonna shoot him with this revolver.
Alright, come on, come on.
Yo, hold up.
I thought that was.
AJ
I thought that
Cost.
pin was
AJ
pulled,
Cost.
dude. On that
Alright,
grenade.
AJ Cost. Alright, everybody stand by me.
I'm behind
Alright,
you.
come over here, come over here. Is everybody ready to go into outer space?
Yes. I think you and
Why did I not offend you guys?
I don't
It
know,
didn't make us fly.
but I'm gonna
You
open
were
this.
supposed to.
I'm gonna open the present once you're done opening those. Whoa, Lucky, you got 2 ammos. Like what?
I'm opening the present. I'm opening the present.
Get back.
Better get ready.
Get back, guys.
Guys, I'm gonna clip you guys. Guys, I'm gonna clip you guys.
What the frick was that?
It was the thing that like.
Oh my
Snap
god.
Back to reality. Over goes
I'm
reality.
blind.
Yo, I'm opening it.
Open it. You're out of ammo. Hold on. I found some ammo right here. Oh
I
god.
got it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm getting thrown.
Bro, come back, come back, come back. Green, come over. Green, oh shoot. Green, just wait until he picks up a rock. Just wait until he picks up a rock. Don't attack, don't attack. Wait
I just got cooked.
until he picks up a rock. Then don't attack him. Don't attack him. Do not attack him. Repeat, do not attack him. He's gonna go back to the present. Just wait.
Better go back.
I have a rocket launcher in my backpack.
Explode them.
But I don't have my
Nobody
backpack.
go close to him.
But he's guarding my backpack.
Close. Not even 1 inch.
I'm gonna kill this guy with my RPG, dude. This guy's
Nah,
not.
I got him, bro. I'm getting revenge. Clutch yourself, clutch it.
Push yourself.
Oh my god, where's my backpack? Backpack is right here. Oh my god. No! Oh my god, you saved me! You saved my life! Oh! Lucky me!
Oh shoot!
Wait, did they die? No,
Oh,
how
he's
did
in,
it
he's in,
not
he's in.
work?
Anger's over
What
there.
the frick?
Anger's over there.
Hey, stupid turkey. Don't you dare run from me.
I'm in space. I repeat, I'm in space. You're in space? I fell.
I'm gonna get my revenge on this stupid monster. Oh my god, there's 2 in 1! Ain't no way!
I know. I just ate some chicken to revive me.
Once you're done doing
Gosh,
that,
Angler scared me.
stupid angler. Oh god. Oh god, I killed him.
Nah, I got you, bro.
Ooh, I found RPG ammo.
It's a bomb.
Lucky me. Oh my god. My luck today is crazy.
I'll activate him.
Oh god. Why did you do that? That kid almost, he almost grabbed me. I will save my friend. I will save my friend, I meant.
Nah.
Going back.
Oh shoot, yes, I need help.
Hey, stupid buddy, you don't mess with my friend, buddy. You don't mess with my friend. Dang. Get your stupid rock out of here.
No.
No, I killed him. I killed him. I killed him. No. You killed
I got
him.
his bag.
How did I kill him? It's just a coincidence. It happens sometimes. Kaboom!
I got you.
This guy got you.
I got you, man. I'm right here.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
I might have opened the present again, so
Nah, it's fine,
yeah. I tried to kill him. Now there's like, stay away. Fight back! Fight back!
Stay away from us.
I'm gonna break your rock in half, dude. Oh god.
Break your bones, bro.
Someone's going to heaven.
Elle, come after me.
Call an ambulance! Call an ambulance! But not for me. Cade! Stupid monster! You don't kill my friend, Pipsqueak.
Bro, whoever gets my revolver ammo first can have it.
I think I'm gonna get it first. Oh my god. Oh my god. Looks like I got it first. Cade, come over here. Hurry. I got you, Cade. I got you. Hey, you stay away from my best friend, buddy. You already killed him once. And it's not gonna happen again. Oh my god, he killed my friend again. You kill my friend? There's consequences. Like, buddy, you're not the main character. You don't kill my friend.
Bro, this is embarrassing.
I killed him 2 times in a row, buddy.
Yo.
I would have saved you.
13 times already.
I got your bag, buddy.
Oh.
I got your bag. Bro, you died
me like 13 times.
Bro, you literally died right when I gave you your bag. Like, what? Does anyone have any rocket launcher ammo?
I do,
Right.
but I have rocket launcher.
You kill my friend, there's consequences. I said this already. Don't make me repeat it again. Get deleted.
You're not the
El
main.
Bozo. I'm the main character.
The box just flew up.
No, that's kind of.
I think I'm out of
crazy.
ammo.
Flew towards you.
Yo, I'm about to fart. Yo, did you know the world is this?
Smack them all.
Oh my god. Big guy thinks he's all tough now. I'm gonna open these crates. No, 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 no. No,
Now I'm
no.
gonna box him up.
Square up, Pipsqueak. Oh, shoot. Dude, I'm sorry.
Now I'm go back
I
to the
didn't mean to
center.
shoot you.
Get my bag.
I didn't
Get
mean
my
to
bag.
shoot
Get
you.
my bag. I'm coming back.
I didn't mean to shoot you. There's consequences when
Wait
you
till he
try to
goes
kill
back
my
to the
friends.
center. Wait. Don't get him. Don't get him.
Shoot that guy.
I'm gonna snipe his forehead like Mr. Clean, bro. Not to lie.
No, he is Mr. Clean. Oh, dang!
Do you see that clean headshot?
A box went flying down. Now let's open up
Bro,
all
I
these
hit that
boxes.
clean headshot, not to lie.
Don't do that.
Yo, can someone
Oh,
bring me back?
I got two freaking.
We found the best things at the same time.
Do not open that.
That guy's good.
We need this crate.
Kentucky Fried Chicken there.
Oh, go.
Someone coming.
I
might
found
be a potential
shotgun
danger to
ammo.
us.
I found shotgun ammo.
Bro, you wanna go faster?
Yes.
See where it has a defect
Ain't no
out
way.
there, and
I literally
And you
just
cannot
found
stop yourself.
ammo.
you cannot stop yourself.
Ain't no freaking way. My luck today is insane.
What?
Oh. Ain't no way, dude.
What just happened?
Oh my god. Ain't no way. Blind me. I want to see God.
Wait, you know how you got like 2 rocket launchers?
Yeah. One's
He wants
unloaded.
to AJ Cost. He wants to AJ Cost.
One's loaded and one's unloaded. I got some pistol
The
ammo.
loaded one to AJ Cost.
Alright.
I want to see his true potential with it.
I just found ammo with it too, so I can have some with mine. Throw it, 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 throw it. Oh my god, oh my god. No. Run!
Everybody run!
Phew! It didn't open it. Don't need that.
I need a rocket.
Oh, there's a
homie.
box. There's a box over here. Let me open it.
Yo, can you give me a rocket launcher?
Oh, I found more rocket launcher ammo.
Yo, can I have a rocket launcher?
This is your rocket launcher.
Someone's
Where's my backpack? Oh, it's on my back.
Someone
Of course.
Someone spawn them in. I'll blow them up immediately. Someone spawn them in.
Good girl.
You guys, spawn them in. I'm gonna hit them.
I got you, Bo.
Bro, I'm gonna clip this.
Oh god. Oh my god.
I just got sent to the moon.
Never mind, I almost clipped him though.
Wait until they all get in the center. Oh my god! Bo
I did not
got
see that
cooked!
coming.
They all got cooked. Oh my
I
god.
got him, got him.
Why is my luck so good today?
I don't know. Well, everybody stand by me. Everybody stand by me.
I keep getting grenades.
Everybody come over here. Everybody come over here. Come over here. Everybody come over here.
Hold on. Let me open this last one. Oh, I'm watching Coco Melon. I'm kidding. I hate Coco Melon.
Come over here. Come over here. Everybody come away from the stuff. Alright, don't stand too close to me this time. But stand, yeah, right there. Let's wait for it to charge up. 3, 2, 1. Bust up!
Forward to the moon.
Yo, where you at?
Was I the only one that went to the moon?
Yep. I want to drop. Yeah. Get out my boob! I'm watching Coco Melon. Oh, I found a teleporting goal.
Melon!
Teleport me!
I think
I'm gonna fly. Superman. Guys, stand back.
Blah, blah.
Oh my god. Oh my god! Die! You ugly
Yo,
thing.
what the heck just...
Oh my god, I killed him. Let's go, I actually won! Die. You ugly thing. Hee hee.
We killed everything in like 1
Rocket.
second.
Yeah, because we're just him. Guys, we're just Timothy. We're just Timothy.
Oh, when it hits the ground, it explodes.
I'm dropping.
Oh my god. Hee hee hee.
I'm playing bats like crazy.
I'm pulling bombs like crazy. And some revolver.
That's the reason why I'm gonna turn into a bat, not to lie.
Yo, can I get some? Can I get some rocket ammo?
Have you ever used a rocket launcher before?
Yes.
Who? Him?
Oh yeah, he has.
Let me get my rocket launcher out.
Oh, there we go. Alright, you guys ready?
Someone has to open the crate.
I will.
I'm at the present, basically.
Oh wait, you already opened it. Alright. Just gotta wait for them.
Don't shoot. Someone don't shoot and someone shoot. Who's not gonna shoot? Who's not gonna shoot?
I'm not gonna
shooting. I'm shooting.
AJ Cost is shooting.
Boom. Hey,
Wait, did we get mimic?
yeah, the mimic died. The
Oh,
mimic
I'm
died.
pretty sure he was like right here.
Yeah, the mimic died.
Yeah, he was.
Go. I deserve that big present. Big crate. I deserve this.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
what's his
I
mighty
keep getting
T-bomb,
ammo.
bruh?
I keep getting
And grenades. Like, bro, I don't want them.
Yo, I just sent a light to space.
But
Dude, I need
I literally
rocket
just
ammo.
got a revolver.
Here, I got some revolver.
I don't want the revolver, dude. I already have one. And I bought mine. Well, let me use some of my ammo. Oh my god. I forgot to load it. This revolver sucks. Wait, where'd Cade go? Did his headset die?
No, I'm right here.
I think it just disconnected.
Whose headset died? Ooh. Yo, I'm opening up the crate.
Hold on.
Yo, I'm opening the crate. Step back. Get ready for Get ready for long. Alright, you blow them up with the rocket launcher. I'm gonna joining. What? I'm gonna shoot the president. He's gonna be joining. He's gonna be joining. Alright, I'm gonna shoot.
I'm ready. Shoot it.
I missed again. I'm all out of ammo. You need to shoot them all down.
No, I got it.
They're all getting to the middle now. I think we got the mimic too.
We did. I don't need that. Oh my god. I do not need you. Neither do I need you. I don't need you
I got
either.
one of those.
Look what I just got.
Guys,
Hey.
my friend has joined.
Hey, no way. I literally just got a grapple gun.
Ain't no way. I've now figured out like you can unlock them in the
What? Why
tech
does
web
it-
thing. Got
I unlocked one in a crate.
research.
But look, I literally unlocked
I
it
also
in a
got a
crate.
crowbar.
In one of those big crates. That's like a 1 in a million chance.
How have you guys been doing together?
We've been doing good.
Yeah, we just
Here's my friend over here.
Does you want to say hi to the
Meet Ethan, guys. Meet Ethan.
I
This is
forgot-
AJ Koss. This is AJ Koss.
Yo,
He's
are
not
you
that
Eaton?
new. He's not that new.
He's not that
He-
new.
Wait, your name's AJ?
Eat-a-ton? No.
His name's Jake.
He's AJ Koss.
He's
That's
AJ.
it in the
Yo,
game.
wait, guys, I dropped my controller. My real name's not AJ. Bro, what is this over here?
One time
It's a glow
Ethan.
stick.
Ethan.
Oh.
One time I
some-
dropped my controller on my foot. I like
Bro,
choked
that
on my
hurts bad.
foot.
Yo,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
Like,
I know that. I know
couldn't
this
move
stuff.
my foot.
I know it kind of sucks for money, but I'm gonna get it. I just want money for it. I like my money.
I need more rockets.
Shotgun.
I'm out of rocket with him.
Bro, I got another revolver right there if he wants it.
Tell Ethan how much you've been. How many RPGs that you have pulled in a row?
I only pulled like 2 in a row.
Ethan.
You guys get back.
You guys get back. I'm
What's
opening
your
the present.
average pull count? Of
You guys get back. Get back. I'm opening the present. Get back. Get back. Get back. Ethan says not yet. Ethan says not. Okay. Tell me when to shoot.
I'm safe up here.
Don't open it yet. Ready to fire.
I found chicken's egg.
Come on. I'm ready to fire.
Guys, you gotta get back more.
Oh my
Because they usually spawn back like right here.
My highest money count is like
moving some apples.
2,000.
Yo, they should add fries in this game.
Two
Put
hundred
the
Bye, guys.
fries
That'll
in
be
the
it for
bag.
today's video.